Okay, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the effect of a catalyst on the rate of a reaction. Before going on to do the experiment, we first need to know what is a catalyst and how does it work. Well, a catalyst is a substance that is added to a chemical reaction to speed up the reaction or to enhance the rate of a reaction. It works by lowering the activation energy of the reaction by providing an alternate reaction pathway. It is not one of the reactants and it is not consumed in the reaction. Let's move on to doing the experiment. So here today we will be monitoring the reaction between sodium thiosulfate and peroxide, hydrogen peroxide, which yields sulfate ions and H+ ions, which are basically protons. The release of protons in the solution changes the pH of the solution from dramatically from basic to acidic, and that is monitored by using a universal indicator solution. So we have here two measuring cylinders with sodium thiosulfate solution, and we have two smaller measuring cylinders with hydrogen peroxide solution. Now to each of these measuring cylinders, I'm going to be adding enough universal indicator solution such that the color turns deep blue. I'm going to stir it. Stir it well. So we can see that the pH of the solution is around 12. Now to one of the measuring cylinders, I'm going to be adding ammonium molybdenate and give it a stir. Now the next step is to add hydrogen peroxide, but we need to add this simultaneously to both these measuring cylinders. And we are going to time this reaction using a stopwatch. So we can see here that this one over here, it is already starting to change color from deep blue to green. Now it's turning beautiful orange, yellow, orange, and then it's going to turn red. And now we can stop the reaction because pH of the solution is now 2. So it took all of 33 seconds to finish the reaction. There was a change in the pH which caused the universal indicator solution to change color from blue to red. If you look at this one, the reaction is still going on. The reaction is proceeding, but at a slower rate. We can see that the color has changed from deep blue to green. It is still going on. The timer is still going on. Now the questions to consider in this reaction are, why did we add hydrogen peroxide in the end? Or what was the catalyst used and how did it work? The other question is, how did we monitor the course of the reaction? We can see that this reaction is still going on while this had finished at 33 seconds. It's been 1 minute and 30 seconds and the reaction is still going on. So we can clearly see that in the presence of a catalyst, the reaction proceeds much faster. Thank you very much.